Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Adobe Premiere Pro color management for accurate skin tones, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Load the project you wish to work on. Navigate to the Preferences menu at the top of the screen. Select Color from the drop-down list. In the Color Preferences, locate the Color Management section. Check the box next to Enable Color Management if it's not already selected. Choose the appropriate workspace for your project under Working Color Space. For accurate skin tones, 709 for HD projects. If working with HDR footage, opt for Rec. 2020 or the color space relevant to your project. Next, go to the Lumetri Color panel. Make sure the input LUT is set correctly for your footage. If using a specific LUT, select it from the drop-down menu. Adjust the basic corrections settings to get the skin tones looking natural. Focus on the temperature and tint sliders to refine the skin tones. Use the exposure and contrast sliders to enhance the overall image. Switch to the Curves tab for more precise adjustments if necessary. Select the RGB curves to fine-tune the brightness and color balance. Pay special attention to the red channel, as skin tones often have more red. Use the Color Wheels section for additional adjustment of shadows, midtones, and highlights. Look specifically at the midtone wheel to adjust skin tones. Make subtle changes to avoid oversaturation. Once satisfied, preview your adjustments with the Playback feature. Use the Scopes panel to monitor color accuracy. Ensure the skin tones sit well within the safe range on the vector scope. Fine-tune any remaining discrepancies. Finally, save your project with the updated color management settings. Close the Preferences menu and continue editing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.